I've been a Muslim now 19 years, and it is just next level. Now, initially, your desires and stuff's like, oh, I can't do this, I can't do that, you have to do this, you have to do that. But then you realize that we're like children to God, yeah? So you know when you have kids, and you say to them, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that, you shouldn't do that, and you know, they might look at you and say, why not, why not, why not? And you, because they can't comprehend what's happening, and they can't comprehend the dangers. And you can believe in all the beautiful stories. You can believe that Jesus loved the world so much, gave his only begotten Son, can have everlasting life. You can believe in this idea that we're also sinners. God knew that we couldn't keep the commandments, so he's going to send his Son to die for us. You can believe all that stuff. That's the belief, right? But when you question it, wait a minute. Why does God need payment to forgive my sin? Why can't he just forgive me? And why do I believe what I'm reading in the New Testament is actually the words Jesus said, when the authors are not actually who we're told they are? Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, whatever. They're not even disciples of Jesus. They're not even eyewitnesses. And then you'll have Christians, we've had Christians here confess that the Bible isn't reliable. But your mind, when it starts doing these things, Christianity is going to crumble. So you have to put your mind back in the box. Now, I used to say atheist mind is out of the box. And the atheists think, but they've got no soul, they've got no spirit. His minds are more in the box than the Christian. Because the atheist has this understanding, no mutation can create new proteins to evolve when the probabilities are absurd. And thus, the reason I say their mind is more in a box, at least a Christian can see the mind behind the universe where the atheist doesn't, right? Well, this brings us to you, Sue, because I'm going to be straight with you. If you truly believe that the only one worthy of worship is God, and that Muhammad is his messenger, become a Muslim. Seriously. And what happens, you just start your journey of life. And I'll give you an example. Right now, Sue, you're like somebody who's been on a journey. And you will go in a certain place and a certain direction. Someone else there or something. Sue in it. Right? So, where are you going, Sue? And you say, well, I think I'm going to such and such a place. And that person says to you, well, Sue, it's not that way. It's that way. And you go, well, I'm not quite sure. Are you sure it's that way? And then I pull out my map and I demonstrate to you that I'm telling the truth, that this is the reliable source of information, and here's my map, and you conclude that you know what, you're right. Because you know I'm right, right? Let me ask you a question, Sue. In that scenario, how many steps are you going to go that way? None. And it doesn't matter how long you've been walking or how far you've walked. Once it's been demonstrated to you that you're going the wrong way and it's this way, you're going to come back this way, right? And the beautiful thing is, in Islam, you don't have to make that journey back. You don't have to walk that journey, that distance, that time, and whatever. I got my helicopter here, right? And you're going to jump in the helicopter. And I'm going to take you back to the start. Then you're going to start walking the right way. And this way you're going to where you're going. So do you want to do it?
Well, as I said to these guys, I said, obviously I know I've got a purpose, but I don't know what my purpose is.
No, your purpose.
And I know I'm going on a journey, but I didn't know what.
Well, let's start the journey. Do you know how to start the journey?
No.
Okay. Raise your finger.
Which one?
This one. This one. Yeah. Say Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An la ilaha illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Say, I bear witness that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is a messenger of Allah. Allahu Akbar. So now you've got the keys to the mansion, and you're inside.
Yeah.
And now what you're going to do now is investigate in your home.
I do need to investigate, yes.
Yeah. Do you mind if I take your details and we'll we'll link you up. Welcome to the family. Where's my sister? Give her a hug, man. We can't.
Yes, I know.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah, she was just passing through.
Ah, you know.
Amazing.
Barakallah feek, alhamdulillah. No. It's the last thing I'm going to tell her to do. Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
You started that talk. Yeah, mashallah.
This lady could be my mum. My mum passed away, but mashallah, you know.
But I still need to see
Well, no, what it is you...
Well, it's just like I came to London today, and I don't know what it was. I came out of my hotel,
Alhamdulillah.
and I went that way.
I mean, I don't feel that was a foreshadow, was it? It's natural, man. It's amazing. We've just been talking to this Romanian guy who's so close to Shahadah, and we're like, she's like, yeah, what's up?
You need to give her some
Ramadan and things.
Yeah, of course, my sister.
Beautiful, mashallah.
So,
It's just like no, it's like
it's not. That's the thing.
No,
It's not.
I knew I had a purpose, but I didn't. And
Turn your back when?
yeah, I just like came over, but I wasn't going to go.
It's something to tell your friends.
It's crazy.
Oh yeah. So it's right. Yeah. So it's, don't want to give numbers out online. Yeah. Look. Don't be shy. Assalamu alaikum everyone. We just got a Shahadah, mashallah. But they're doing yeah, mashallah. Yeah. We're on. This is EFDawah. We're live. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So yeah, we've done it. Got a Shahadah, mashallah. Well, I didn't do anything. Yeah, it's been a good day. I think they think we're recording them, but no. Assalamu alaikum everyone. You got any questions? How many people are watching?
Hello from Finland. More Shahadah. Yeah, today's been a good day.
So yeah, we've had three good conversations. It's not just been about arguing, it's been about, spreading the message, mashallah. I know it's more than 3 conversations. You were having a conversation 4, yeah.
Well, with this lady, I spoke to a couple of people, but this lady, she just happened to pass through.
I thought she looked quite nervous in front of the camera. Mashallah, she said she came over, she felt something drawing her here.
Wow.
Yeah, she seemed a bit nervous, so that's why I was a bit general.
Yeah.
I'm just for respect for the Shahada, mashallah.
Yeah.
How do you expect it? I gave her the Quran, I gave the privacy, I gave the card, I gave the questions, how to read it. She no knows about Islam. I gave her the fundamentals, broke it down, why we need to worship Allah, purpose of life,
Lionheart was here earlier.
She had no knowledge about Islam. She used to be a Christian, but she came away from it. She was raised as a Christian, came away from that. That was our thing. So we're just talking about verses of the Quran, trying to relate it to like modern our times, and the other brother was chatting with the cat.
Oh yeah.
He was there as well. So we was just having a nice long conversation. And then she was about to go.
So the Romanian guy was going to go for a meal with him.
That's amazing.
During the week.
That's amazing. It's crazy.
That was a very good.
She looks so happy, guys. I didn't want to just put the camera on her. It's a big time in her life. But she looks, mashallah, she looks mega happy. Yeah, we've had 4 people today that we've talked to about Islam, haven't we?
Oh, is that the thing for this?
Yeah.
I'm talking into the phone.
Yeah, that's your problem, isn't it? It's the technology. Where it speaks, just put that there, isn't it? What's the people saying?
They're showing the love.
Do you want to tell Ben he needs to get a life?
Go to the Umbra trip if you could get.
Nice combos today. Have you seen them?
Say what?
Have they seen all the combos on it? They've all been live?
No, 10 minutes of each one. Well, not each one. There's a few more, guys. We've been really busy. I'm just going to do a bit of behind
Nice
the scenes.
beard, bro. Thanks, man.
So, and this is the one that's been hard at work, guys. We've got 2 cameras. We've got that one, and where's the other one? The other one's the other one's over here, guys. Yeah, mashallah, still talking. So, that one there. So that's right, bro. We've got microphones there, and we've got microphones over there. So you can see it's a lot of work to get this right. So, let's turn it over again. So it's a lot of work to get it right. So doing these, this is a new thing, guys, and let us know. Give us a feedback in the comments if you future, inshallah. 1 minute, guys.
It gives the system of life that kind of doesn't really care what the world's doing.
Right, actually, I think we'll end it. Yeah, I think we'll end it. All right, guys. And actually, so we did. It's about 10 minutes, but it's 2 minutes of us messing about because there's more happening being recorded now. So you'll see that soon. But let's do a bit of Q&A, guys. So if you want to ask any of the EFDawah guys any questions, let us know. And then if you could help us out, that'd be awesome. You all right to come in? Yeah.
Where is this on live or where?
On the EFDawah, the actual EFDawah channel.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a bit confusing because I've been on everywhere, guys. So the only way to be saved is apparently through Jesus. So yeah.
Why do you believe that?
Yeah. Because I feel it.
That's why. EFDawah, will you guys ever visit Manchester? We did.
We did once, yeah.
Once at the university for a. You might see it on our channel as well. That's what we did. We was at a university and did a presentation. I forgot what it was called.
Yeah, I forgot what it's called now. It's like Why Islam.
Why Islam?
Yeah, Why Islam.
Why the Prophet?
Manchester University.
Yeah.
Yusuf Ponders isn't here today, unfortunately.
When you do it again, please. I missed the last visit. Inshallah.
Any advice for new converts?
To Islam in America. What do you mean new converts to Islam?
So any advice?
What type of advice?
Yeah, so every advice is unique. What we do, if you're the convert, contact us via Facebook, inshallah. We can help you out, or email us at EFDawah@gmail.com.
Inshallah.
You got Jordan here, just
perusing at the comments. You'll recognise.
Let's see.
God didn't die.
Brilliant.
God never dies.
You're supposed to not. You put the what's that line? They put it in the wrong place. It's supposed to be after the end, not the D.
Yeah, it's been a really productive day today, guys. I think we'll end it there because these live streams are meant to be little teasers rather than what do you call it? We might do one more live while we're eating a big old lamb as celebration.
We're having goat.
Go or maybe Malaysian food. We'll see. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Awesome.